When fitting filter bags, make sure that the bag is smoothed out as much as possible to give the largest filtration area. Furthermore, when replacing the turret, make sure the seal is tight to ensure the maximum vacuum performance. The magnetic fastened pipe. Note: magnets allow you to leave the pipe fixed in place. Spade extension. This tool widens the vacuum pipe to help sweep the bottom of a tank. Pipe sections. Pipe sections can be combined to provide the desired length. It is ideal for reaching tank corners. Flexible bench tool. The flexible bench tool can flex in order to give the best cleaning for shallow tanks. 100 NMO reusable filter. This is a coarse pre-filter that removes the bulk of the material. The 10P disposable filter. This polishing filter removes the fine debris. Take the loaded CHU to the machine and demarcate a working area. Do not forget to apply brakes to the caster wheels. You will need to ensure the e-stop is pushed down and the CHU is in manual mode before powering up. Note the coolant recycling trip sign. Next, fit the filter bags following the method in the manual. Fit the suction hose onto the CHU lid pipe and secure as in the operational manual. Attach the magnetic pipe to the discharge end and direct into the tank. Prior to starting the CHU, check that the machine is switched off and any equipment such as chillers is off too, as access to the tank is via moving parts and may cause injury. To start the CHU, insert the key and turn the machine with auto on. Just like sweeping the floor, run the vacuum pipe along the tank base to the debris that has settled. Use the discharge as an opportunity to change the vacuum attachments if required. Should the surface of the tank be oily or has floating debris, switching both pumps on manually is a great way to create a flow to skim the problem. Run the machine until you are happy that the area is clean. The machine will shut off after 30 minutes, but it can be restarted if needed. When shutting off the CHU, turn into manual mode and run the vacuum pump for a while to drain the pipes of coolant. Then switch off the CHU and remove the key. Unplug the CHU and wrap the power cable around the handle rather than leave in trailing. Drain the coolant from the pipe by holding it above and letting gravity do the rest. Wrap the vacuum hose around the turret so it does not trail. Store the discharge pipe by wrapping around the CHU so it does not trail. Finally, follow the operating manual for instructions on how to remove the bags, emptying any loose debris into the correct waste collection. And split the attachments and load onto the CHU for washing and storage.